Hey beauties, I'm back with another video and I'm super excited because today I'm partnering up with Curlsmith to tell you all about their new Shine Recipe collection, which listen, let me tell y'all, this collection is everything. No, seriously. Just when I thought Curlsmith couldn't get any better, they pulled all the way through with this collection. I mean, y'all saw how dry and dull my hair was looking a few moments ago compared to now, so let's just hurry up and get into all the details. So this new Curlsmith Shine Collection is dermatologically tested and fragrance-free, so it's perfect for those of you that have sensitive scalps. This collection is formulated to deliver soft and glossy curls that are full of shine, and it can also be used on all hair types because it's light enough not to weigh down fine hair, but it's also moisturizing enough so that it's suitable for coarse hair. And it does follow the Curlsmith 4-step styling method, so your first step is going to be to use the Shine Shampoo. Wow, okay. I was gonna do like a full voiceover, but I have to tell y'all, like, as soon as I put that in my hair feels instantly soft. This is crazy. I mean, instantly soft. Wow. Okay, as y'all can see, this shampoo had me straight shook, y'all. The way it instantly made my hair feel soft and moisturized. And can we talk about the shine that it's delivering? This is formulated with a blend of hops, jasmine, and lemon peel to boost shine. It's a gentle cleanser, which has hands down become my favorite shampoo from Curlsmith. I mean, they really did it with this, y'all. And it's just light foaming, and like I mentioned, the entire collection is fragrance-free, so there's no scent. You just apply it to wet hair, lather, and then rinse. And look at that shine. I mean, I feel like whatever they put in this shampoo, I'm gonna go ahead and advocate for Curlsmith to make a deep conditioner out of it, because no, seriously, y'all, instant softness. So the next step is to follow up with the Shine Conditioner, which is a lightweight, everyday rinse-out conditioner. So this conditioner is going to use key ingredients like shea butter, muru butter, babasu oil, and blends of hops, jasmine, and lemon peel as well to moisturize your hair, make it smooth and soft, and enhance your hair vibrancy and shine. And I'll add that the slip is really good to help with your detangling process as well. So just apply that to wet hair, leave on for 1 to 2 minutes before rinsing. Step 3 will be to apply the Shine Cream, which is a lightweight leave-in conditioner. Then for step 4, you can choose between 2 options: the Shine Jelly, which is a medium hold styling gel that provides definition, shine, and a flexible hold without weighing down your hair. Or you can choose the Shine Gel, which is a strong hold styling gel that's going to give you long-lasting definition, humidity protection, frizz control, and of course, shine. So I chose to go with the Shine Gel for today's routine. Just apply the Shine Cream to small to medium sections of damp hair. This is a very lightweight cream with a silky texture, so your hair won't feel weighed down at all. It contains the same amazing key ingredients as the other products, along with jojoba and castor oil to really help seal in moisture. So this product also made my hair feel instantly soft. I loved it. I followed up with the Shine Gel, which is a thicker gel than the jelly. And honestly, this gel has the perfect consistency if you love doing the shingling method, because you guys can see it would leave your curls super defined. But today I'm just going to go ahead and do the brush, clump, and scrunch method to define my curls. And y'all, just look at this definition and shine from these products. So I just repeated the same steps throughout my entire head. Then I diffused my hair for more volume. So I have got to say that I was beyond impressed with this Curlsmith collection, you guys. No, seriously, y'all know I love me some Curlsmith products, and they have once again blown me away with another great collection. I mean, the shine, you guys. Look at this shine, and honestly, the moisture and softness that this collection delivered is top tier. The gel doesn't flake at all. It's not crunchy. My hair is full of bounce, volume, and definition. I mean, it's a win-win-win situation here, y'all. And even more so because it's a universal collection that can be used by the most sensitive of scalps, because it's fragrance-free, and again, it's free of harsh chemicals. Curlsmith always comes through. So be sure to check out the description box for all the details on where you can find the new Shine collection. Comment below and let me know what your favorite Curlsmith product is. It's so hard to choose one. All their products are just so amazing. But let me know if you're thinking about trying this collection. For sure, would recommend you guys. It's amazing. I love it. I'm obsessed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up so more people can find it. And subscribe to my channel for more reviews. Follow me on Instagram at Naturally Chia. Thanks for watching.